This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by listing what you have and who might own it. Identify file types and licenses now, because clarity saves disputes later. Once done, mark items that are clearly public domain or CC BY and separate uncertain works for review. Make sure to capture owner contact info, dates, and version numbers. These details let you request permission efficiently and prove your due diligence if questions arise. You now apply an organized fair use test. Analyze purpose, nature, amount used, and market impact. If unclear, send a concise permission request. Include exact snippets, intended use, duration, and compensation. Save the email or signed form. Once permission is granted, confirm scope and keep records. If permission is denied or costly, consider licensed alternatives or create an original substitute, because prevention is cheaper than litigation. You finalize by implementing the approved use. Insert clear attribution, include license text when required, and avoid exceeding agreed excerpt lengths. Once published, update your permissions log and archive all correspondence. This evidence resolves many disputes. If you face a takedown or claim, pause the use immediately, review your records, and attempt to negotiate. If negotiation fails, consult a copyright lawyer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.